Alright YouTube, so that's the 2.1 Class D amplifier that you have seen before, and that's a 24 volt 6 amp power supply. I specially bought this power supply for this kit only because it was recommended by the this kit maker. I got a sticker on the plastic wrapping that this thing works better with a 24 volt 6 amp power supply. So I have connected all the stuff. Here you can see two channels are there, the Samcaron mini bookshelf speakers with 4-inch driver, and there you can see a subwoofer. That's actually not a subwoofer, but that can go very low. That's a normal 8-inch woofer driver. I use that as a subwoofer sometimes when I need. I used to use that before, but now I don't use it much. So I have connected that thing as a subwoofer. It's a 8-inch subwoofer, and everything is connected, as you can see. So now play songs and check the sound.
What you like, tell me what you like. Go!
Well, that's the sound of the two channels only. Now check the subwoofer too.
Tell me what you like. Go!
There's no doubt, gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me fly new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. Let's party together. Let's live. Let's get